bako kumanyebuna abakora imirimo baria barense y'ekyombekere kya UHC gose Universal Health Coverage nigo bagoserere gocha kugira imirimo kubwatekana na serikali gusikia mutwe dagwika omukogocha kubarikia bene gose koronga permanent and pensionable egetambuka batebira n'enchera yamo yoko barina abana bwabo. Solidarity forever, and the union makes us strong. Tunataka PNP. UHC. PNP. UHC power. UHC power.
We met here in the morning following the communication that was made by the ministry that we come for verification of documents. So we had an interaction with our deputy governor and a representative from the COG. Our expectation then is that we wanted this process of transition to take effect almost immediately. Unfortunately, we received very disheartening and devastating information that the budget that was allocated is only for the stipend that we are receiving currently. For sure, it has been a tug of war. So we are disgruntled and we are really unhappy because of the way the government is taking us back and forth.
I want to believe government works with seamless information from every agency. Information cannot be changing from time to time. And we are asking them that this time round, if they don't find a line in which they follow, if everyone comes with their own information, we will stay on strike until they know what they want for us.
So after this exercise, what we expect is nothing less than PNP. So if you expect us to come to your office every day, every week, we will be there until you give us PNP.
Abaonchereria n'abamenyi besise woda abo bagokora bonchirwa abasechiro ya Ryangombe ime ye constituency ya Barabu nigobe murunganire gokoba echiro ejuerembe nigoba abolire kwinyurwa chingaki budget ye county naboigo ye constituency korosigwa na Barabu mbati wa magega Polycarp Okara noroboti rwa sinchirengekerano
bamenya baiga kurwasechirega ya Ryangombe nigo bagendere ko bakwimurunganire kubatikana mono gotigwa magega wake magenderero na nene gukinwa wechire yiga egento babolire omo MC wechinseme chigasereta Josiah Mang'era kubatina mone county elio okinya echire yiga
no mwijana twasabire twarerire butambe tutagete echirebe lakini tiana ko baba no rorora gachaga toe ejo era na torosereti bona tukumetie ejo nere chiro twabolire boire bateba ngamangana ingo chale limo baga oya maga tatebia Jumatano tige chirebe Jumatano ni kawaida ye chire kare gutangaswa iga abantu bakobeka yani kurwa account kango babegete chigari cyaba maguta linde batangase para ko etanga Ryangombe market irabe Jumatano ayita beti lakini akwane to muntu wasanga chiro yansire Jumatano paka waleo na karole chire yigente yansete
kulingana na Barabu nigo bagendere ko bakubole chitaya kubekwa sajaiga yendukira abairire echire yiga gutwara bolinde kingagi cyamaragoba na weigo echire yiga ko gitwa unenjire yemo yo kugendera gukinya ubonchiriri bwabo
era onyendiria achete omo MCO yatobeka mo atebe nganyarebe na robekire iga bono muntu agopiki onde bwensi atebu ngaye no isaini bono kango ntumanyaine bono nonya na baturoro gose bari tutenenirete etorobo saigo ekogera okoika kwarosa ngeikorora nono korora gekomulika buna akasimia kakane kamulika mwisi kinsa gagwo kansa 12 timeti asege goika gyagenda gucheka reri nachi
asinsemo yende nigo bakwanira obuyibo bwo bwagende ko bakwanira kyo kurwa sinseme chiga egintu batugirie omujumbe bwa Orogongoro iga Omusike Patrick Osera ase okubagorera ebintu bagotanga obwibi obwiga ase bagende ko bakurira abanyakenyero koba maiso eri gotanga obwibi nanene bwetugo korwa ase Orogongoro iga
ekera igwete ng'amang'ana yega y'obwibi abukire oimokirie egetambukero kerekia sana mono oimokirie ase abamura bagase eng'encho bamaete ng'a nabamura berwete ase ogokora emirimo yabo obaire okobagorera chitochi eria ekero ase bagoeta botuko bakomorekerwa obagoreire chikabuti obagoreire chibuti
are gotokonya tonyore ekero obweki buna bono obwibi bwa echiombe nono omoibi ekero agoetia eng'ombe nabo agosanga ekiagera ekero obweki ekumurikare omweshimiwa karanyore ribaga erio anyore ekero obweki nabo agotokonya
egento togosaba nkeria abantu aba bonsi bororobi chinkoro chiabo ekero bororobi nintu torisiko torendete nturi goita monto busa
omweri oye niga bamanya abaiga bagende ko bagokwanira chikanisa wesora nigatina gotanga okurobekana oku kwagende ko bagokwanikigwa egati abasae ba Gen Z abo korengana muna barabo babwenete konyora oboroso bya bwechikanisa eri ogotanga amabe ayo akoretwa mono okurobekana kwe ekegori keiga ya Gen Z
abana baito tiga baekeye abana baito tiga baigwere egere obogima nobuya kobwa gokwa tutagitima kweri
tiga toteme gokwanira abana baito nyendiri bachi gotwanja egere abana abairanese ebintu bibwenere na mono kegima egere ngokwanira chikanisa na chichigwanete gosambia abana buna abachirangeri abana
egingo ripoti rigetasini kya obwanjete kya Getembe kurugiga sinseme chiga chia lia ng'ombe eyo gotoka meye sise ward ebungane ya Borabu e county Nyamira enchegongoro kwa Polycarp